Welcome to the step-by-step guide for the online assessment process of the hands-on course, presentation, and personal effectiveness. To begin, enter your CRN number and password as mentioned on your admit card. Then, press the login button. Once logged in, your dashboard will display your session. Click the Join button to proceed. You will now see your session information. Click on the button, Run System Check, to make sure your system is ready. If prompted, please allow access to your webcam and microphone. These are mandatory for the assessment. Once the system check is complete, upload your picture by clicking the Capture button. Next, upload a 360-degree view of your surroundings by slowly moving your laptop in all directions. Once the room scan is complete, the Join Exam button will become active. Click on it to enter the examination area. You are now in the waiting room. Any important announcements will appear in the announcements section. Please wait patiently until an assessor calls you. Remember, do not refresh this page. As soon as an assessor is ready for you, the status will change from waiting for room assignment to ready to join. The Join Exam Room button will now appear, along with the stage you have been called for. Please note that each student will be called into a room individually. You may be called in interview, presentation, or group discussion rooms in any sequence. Once you enter the room, your assessment will begin immediately. If you need to communicate anything during the assessment, a chat option is available. After your assessment in the first room is completed, you will be automatically redirected back to the waiting room. From there you will be called in the second and the third room upon your turn. Your assessment progress indicator will show you which stages have been completed and which are still pending. In case of an emergency, you may request a break while you are in the waiting room. Breaks are subject to approval by the ICAP manager. If your break is approved, you may avail up to 5 minutes break. After returning, click Resume Exam to continue. Please remember, if you do not click the Resume Exam button after your break, you will not be assigned to any room for further assessment. Once all stages are completed, your session will come to an end. We wish you the very best of luck with your assessment. Please follow all instructions carefully throughout the process. Thank you and all the best.